What if I told you there's a phone that can outperform the iPhone and Galaxy in every aspect? A phone that has a stunning 6.8-inch AMOLED display, a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, a massive 6,000 mAh battery, and a triple camera system with 50MP sensors. A phone that has an invisible front camera under the screen, a sleek design, and a robust software. A phone that is the Nubia Z60 Ultra, the ultimate flagship killer of 2024. In this video, I'll show you why this phone is the best choice for anyone who wants a premium smartphone experience at an affordable price. The first thing that catches your eye when you look at the Nubia Z60 Ultra is the screen. This phone has a 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 2480 into 1116 pixels, which is very sharp and vibrant. But the most impressive thing about the screen is that it has no notch, no hole punch, no pop-up camera, nothing. The front camera is hidden under the screen, and you can barely see it even if you look closely. This is thanks to Nubia's 5th generation underscreen technology, which uses an independent pixel driver and a blue diamond arrangement to improve the transparency and color accuracy of the screen. The result is a truly immersive and uninterrupted viewing experience, whether you're watching videos, playing games, or browsing the web. The back of the phone is also very eye-catching, with a hexagonal camera module that houses 3 cameras and a flash. The main camera is a 50MP sensor with an f1.6 aperture, which can take detailed and clear photos in any lighting condition. The secondary camera is a 64MP periscope telephoto lens with 3.3x optical zoom, allowing you to take stunning close-up shots of flowers, insects, or anything else. The third camera is a 50MP ultra-wide lens with a 100-degree field of view, which can capture more scenery and perspective in your shots. The camera app also has a lot of modes and features, such as night mode, portrait mode, pro mode, and more. You can also record 4K videos at 60fps or 8K videos at 30fps with the main camera, which is very impressive. The phone has a metal frame that feels solid and premium in the hand. On the right side, you have the power button and the volume rocker, which are easy to reach and press. On the right side, you have a dedicated sliding key, which you can customize to launch different functions, such as the camera, the mute, the recording, the flashlight, or the game space. This is a very handy feature that makes the phone more convenient and faster to use. The phone also has a dual SIM tray, a USB-C port, and a speaker at the bottom, and a 3.5mm headphone jack at the top, which is a rare sight these days. The phone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, which is one of the most powerful and efficient chips on the market. It can handle any task or game you throw at it without breaking a sweat. The phone also has a lot of RAM and storage options, ranging from 8 to 24 gigabytes of RAM and from 256 to 1 terabyte of storage. You can choose the configuration that suits your needs and budget, and you won't have to worry about running out of space or memory. The phone also has a 6,000 mAh battery, which can last for a whole day of heavy use or even longer with moderate use. The phone supports 66-watt fast charging, which can charge the phone from 0 to 100% in about an hour, which is very fast and convenient. The phone runs on Android 14 with Nubia's custom skin called myOS 14. The software is smooth and responsive, and it has a lot of customization options and features. You can change the theme, the icons, the fonts, the gestures, and more. You can also access the game space, which is a special mode that optimizes the phone for gaming by blocking notifications, enhancing the performance, and enabling the game triggers. The game triggers are 2 touch-sensitive areas on the side of the phone, which you can use as shoulder buttons when you play games in landscape mode. This gives you a more comfortable and immersive gaming experience, and it gives you an edge over your opponents. So, what do I think of the Nubia Z60 Ultra? Well, I think this phone is amazing. It has a gorgeous full-screen display, a powerful performance, a great camera, a long-lasting battery, and a unique design. It has everything you need in a flagship phone and more. It also has a very competitive price, starting from $699 for the base model, which is much cheaper than other flagships with similar specs. The only downside I can think of is that the phone is not widely available in all markets, and you might have to import it from Nubia's official website or other online retailers. But other than that, I have no complaints about this phone. It is one of the best phones I have ever used, and I highly recommend it to anyone who is looking for a premium and innovative smartphone. So that's it for my review of the Nubia Z60 Ultra. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, The Tech Critic, for more honest reviews and insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.